how to start a TikTok account. To get started, first of all, open up the App Store on your phone. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the search icon. Here you can browse and search for games, apps, stories, and more. Now, go to the search bar and search for TikTok. Once you are here, tap on Open. If you don't have an account, then you have to sign up here. You can sign up with your phone number or by using your email, Facebook, Google, etc. For example, if you select email, then you have to enter your email address first as shown. Then tap on Continue. Now, create a new password here by entering it in the text box. Make sure to follow the instructions below. After that, tap on Continue. You have successfully created a TikTok account. You will now be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. Following these steps, you can easily start a TikTok account.